Hello everyone. I hope you enjoyed my videos. Today I'll be reviewing Cartoon Craze presents Donald Duck / Woody Woodpecker, or Donald Duck and Woody Woodpecker, Pantry Panic. Now this is volume 16. And apparently this is the public domain DVD, which I know. Digitally remastered? Yeah, right. Over an hour of classic animation. On our cover, we got Donald Duck and the Spendthrift from The Spirit of 43. Here are the cartoons contained. Pantry Panic, starring Woody Woodpecker. The Spirit of 43, starring Donald Duck. Bars and Stripes Forever. Inky and the Minion Bird, starring Inky. Starring Inky and, well, the Minion Bird, as well as the Lion. Sunny in Spring, starring Raggedy Ann. Quack-a-doodle-doo, starring Baby Huey. Fox Pop, starring the Fox and the Birds. And The Little Stranger. This was released by Digiview Productions. Now this was released in 2004 by them. And not long after their release, Disney and Universal confronted Digiview about their cartoons. And so these were removed from shelves. But some of these can be pretty, and therefore this is the one I got. And yes, you know, The Spirit of 43 the short is included on home video releases, since it is the only Donald Duck short to have entered the public domain state, not counting Donald's decision, because it was not featured on any public domain releases, despite it also being in the public domain. Here's the disc with Donald and the Spendthrift again. Yes, this is volume 16. I hope you enjoyed this review, and thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.